What?
Oh! Hey, what's up, Peters R, guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here. Oh, I guess the Goblagers, Granny, and we are the Marvelous Lumber Squad! After watching Marvel Animation's last project, The Eyes of Wakanda, it was a great show.
It was a
We
good
enjoyed
show.
it so much. If you haven't
It was a
seen,
good show.
It was a good show.
It was a good show.
Alright. If you haven't seen our reaction on that series, please do click the link up here. In today's video, we will be reacting to Marvel Entertainment Animation's latest project this coming Halloween.
Halloween ba?
Spooky skeleton. Your spooky skeleton. Any idea what this project might be? Of course, Granny here, Chibi, has no idea. What a loser. Fortunately, hindi pa ako nasuspoil. Wala akong matanda na parang, oh man, wala. So meron ka,
Meron
wow.
ako isa.
Na,
As in, ano ba yan?
Ay,
May nakikita. May feeling lang ako, pero sure na ako. You know, thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails.
a new Marvel animation project. Again, medyo naging ano yun sa akin dahil sa What If series, no? And this certain project, medyo tied up siya doon sa series na yun. So, I would really have to expect so low dito sa show na to.
Isa to sa mga sikat na
Comics.
Comic stories.
True.
Sa stories ng Marvel. Pero, hindi ko in-expect. In this way nila i-execute.
You expect a live action?
Yeah, of course. Nung narinig ko yan dati, nung pinaplan nila, I guess hindi pa uso yung animation noon time na yun.
Very out of reach naman kung gawin nilang live action to.
I'm sure mahirap, pero, I mean,
maybe you can pull it off. Or maybe in another universe.
Yeah, parang ganun niya.
Pero yeah, speaking of this concept, this was the reason ba't ako na-fall sa Marvel. Kasi meron akong hiniraman, shoutout to Trapaga. Humiram ako sa kanya ng comic book of this Marvel storyline. Doon ako first time talagang na-immerse sa Marvel Universe.
With all that we've been saying, meron ka bang ine-expect? Ano to? Or hula? Anong hula mo? Hindi mo na alam.
Well, base doon sa sinasabi ni Kuya, is it like Midnight Suns, yung mga ganun? Or is it something else? Yan. So, tinatry ko lang hulaan kung ano kaya yun.
That was a good guess.
That was actually
a good guess.
I like that guess.
That's a good
I like
guess.
that guess. Without further ado, to answer Chiwi's pondering question in mind, what this animation would be, let's dive in 3, 2, 1, let's dive in! Wow!
Oh, shoot.
Violent.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh my god. Yo!
Is there a virus infecting your system?
All the Avengers are dead,
Oh my god, Thunderbolts!
Thunderbolts!
and they're coming for us.
Oh, si Elena.
We got a lot to say.
Shang-Chi!
Shang-Chi! Let's go! Oh! Oh! Namor, let's go!
Shit.
What?
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Si ano ba yung US agent, Beth? Blade!
No.
Oh my god! Khonshu
Khonshu.
Blade! Ant-Man dead!
Moon Knight, pare!
Yo! Yo! Ghost! Yo, holy shit, bro.
Whoa. That's how you do that then.
Miss Marvel?
Miss Marvel to.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, nalapit na. Yo!
Holy fudge! Wow!
What the fuck? Oh my god! Ang lala!
Ang ganda nun!
Ang ganda nun, men.
Ang ganda!
Okay, wait. First off, sorry magsimula. Naka-feel ako ng scary stuff dun. honestly, naka-feel ako ng 2000s horror vibe doon na parang...
Actually.
Hindi ko ma-describe yung mga 2000s horror. Minsan, hindi ko alam eh. Pero parang may na-feel akong helpless sila, I guess. Hindi siya hopeless eh. It's yung fun sa gore. Parang Final Destination. Di ba papanoorin mo yung death scenes, hindi naman yung plot eh.
I feel like it's yung
music
soundtrack
din eh. Yung music nila.
Ang ganda ng soundtrack, yung rock. Sobrang early 2000s type of music plus yung bloodiness niya, yung goriness.
Parang bagay yung
very
yung
nostalgic
music.
yung rockish sound niya. Sobrang bagay sa tone ng movie. Plus, nakadagdag sa akin yung innocence ng heroes, biglang wow vibe. May beast pala sila inside na gumawa ng ganito ka-violent sa zombies na alam mo prior to that they were humans din eh. Na parang wow, grabe, hindi ko in-expect na si Spider-Man would fucking pull all those heads using his web. Bro, that is the last thing I was imagining na gagawin ni Spider-Man, bro. Like, it's so surreal yung series na to. Hindi ko siya in-expect. Again, low expectations. We got a Marvel zombie episode sa What If series. And it was good, but it's not this great. It's not as great as this
trailer
one.
pa lang to. Baka sa trailer lang.
Pero if gawin nilang tone na parang What If, na medyo may goofy.
Medyo nag-goofy eh. Nung nag-goofy sila yung nag-blade ghost break. Tapos umirit si LA na parang, sana hindi ganyan yung tone
like,
ng ano.
Mas gusto ko serious siya. Okay na, gory, pero gawin nilang serious sana. Pero I feel like they're not going sa ganung path. I feel like medyo magiging What If goofiness siya. Chiwi, any thoughts?
Wala, nagulat ako. Nakalimutan ko na may ganito nga pala. Tsaka na nag-start siya as comic. So nagulat ako nung biglang may zombie. For some reason, kinilabutan ako. Yung pati si Namor naging zombie.
Oh.
Parang yung mga kalaban nila ang lakas. Medyo nakakatakot
Nakakatakot nga. As in, nakita ko yung Wakanda zombie sila. Parang,
oo nga.
Yo!
Parang hirap mapunta sa side ng heroes at this time. Kasi parang sobrang lakas ng mga kalaban nila. Mga aasahan mo na heroes originally. Like, wala yung Wakandans. Kasi ang lakas nila, asahan mo sila as heroes. Ngayon sila yung kalaban mo. Parang, fuck. Ang hirap.
Lala. I wanna add also, holy shit, yung faces na ginagamit nila.
Bro!
It's them, bro.
It's them!
Si Marsha, anong name niya,
Si
yung
Blade?
Blade?
Bro!
Bro,
It's
mukha
him!
niya yun. So, siya na
kaya
yun.
yung magboboses.
Boses niya!
Hindi ko alam if nasa credits siya. Tapos
Agree.
Namor din, mukha din ni Namor.
Yeah. At least we're getting a refresher ng mga latest heroes, characters na nilalabas nila. We have the whole Thunderbolts, we've got Shang-Chi, Khonshu, kahit wala si Moon Knight. Ang dami kong feeling ko hindi ko na-catch, pero wow, ang jam-pack nung trailer na yun.
Sobra.
May iba pa silang nilist doon na hindi agad napakita doon sa trailer.
Sino?
Si Hawkeye.
Nandun si Hawkeye, nakita.
Nakita ba?
Nakita ko si Hailey Stanfield.
So basically, yung mga survivors dito, yung mga new gen heroes talaga eh.
My God. Ang ganda.
Nire-refresh talaga nila sa atin yung mga dapat asahan natin sa film.
Wala si Captain Wilson. Sam Wilson. Hindi ko siya nakita.
Sabi nga naman, the old Avengers are dead.
Pero namatay na ata siya.
Well, if they're gonna continue yung episode na. Pero kasi we did get the yung Thanos episode na so continuation
yan. Naalala nyo ba yung What If Season 1? Continuation to. Basically, diba nag-end na si Thanos, zombie na siya. Meron siyang gauntlet. Nasa Wakanda siya. Kaya patay na yung mga Wakandans. Buti na lang bloody itong yung show na to. Kasi grabe, sobrang disappointed ako nung What If na hindi siya bloody, yung Marvel Zombies.
Yeah.
Ito feel ko talaga maaawa ako kung sino yung mga...
I don't know. I don't want to expect
dyan.
Ayaw talaga mag-expect kasi naka-vibe ako ng goofiness eh.
Sige. As someone who read the comics, may ganun ba? May mga nakakaawa?
Oo, like hindi ko ma-accept na namatay to, yung mga ganun. While reading the comics ng Marvel Zombies, nakakaramdam ako ng sakit. Like I remember this scene nung si Quicksilver was running through the city and he was trying to save every survivor pa, every human being. Tapos may nabuhat siyang isang girl. Tapos yung girl na yun si Mystique. Nag-transform siya to Mystique na zombie na pala. Tapos kinagat si Quicksilver. Eh di may zombie na Quicksilver. So, kung sino-sino na kinagat-kagat niya. Na sobrang na-terrify ako doon. Kasi parang, paano pa kayo mananalo dyan yung may Quicksilver na zombie?
Sana movie na lang to. Hindi ko alam.
Ay, honest, ang ganda!
Ganda eh.
Ang ganda talaga. Like, ngayon lang ulit ako holy shit, sa trailer, bro!
Ang ganda ng shot mo kay Spider-Man. Nag-look forward din ako sa animation mismo. Yun yung perks kasi ng animation. Napapaganda talaga nila yung visuals. Hindi sila nagtitipid.
Gets.
Yan, so, how excited are you guys? Rate out of 10?
Sige, game.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, Jagod!
9.5.
Why?
Eh kasi what if yun eh. So, alam mo, animator.
Excited, nevertheless, I'm still excited.
Excited
Kahit what
ako
if siya.
pero may onting percent na ano.
Actually, 9.9 ako. 9.9. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction on Marvel Animations, Marvel Zombies. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below who among the new surviving Avengers would survive hanggang dulo. Doing all these would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 300 out of 3,000 watch hours is still a long way to go, so it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out. For us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all, we'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok accounts at YKSD Goblucus. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblucus. Granny. And we are the Marvel Slumber Squad. Stay epic, stay legendary. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.